I'm Seal DeGuglielmo. Welcome to my workroom. 2 years ago this week, my husband and I renovated my basement workroom, and it was kind of a dark, dingy place, and now it's bright and light, and it is really my happy place. And I've managed to keep it pretty organized. And about 6 months after we finished the renovation, Janelle Deck and Kathy Tucker came out and taped a real workroom series video here in my brand new workroom. So I wanted to share a product that I'm using in my workroom that I think might help you if you don't have a gigantic workroom. I have a lot of space in here, I'm really fortunate, but let's face it, we never have enough space. So I had a rolling garment rack that I purchased from Amazon.com, and I actually had two of them, and often when I cut my lengths for panels, I just drape it over the rolling rack. But I didn't need two of them, and I needed space to store my welt cord. I also have cinder block walls. It's not easy to hang things from cinder block walls, and I'm a to-the-trade workroom. So when I have a new designer coming, or a designer that I've worked with that I want to share some of my work with, I don't really have a great place to hang samples. So this is what my husband and I came up with. This is the garment rack from Amazon. These are pegboards, and we cable tied them to the rolling rack, and they sit on the cross legs of the rolling rack. So on a day-to-day basis, right here near my straight stitch machine, I've got large rolls of Do Fix Velcro, I've got my welt cord, ladder tape, some twill tape, so I have easy access to them right near my straight stitch machine. That's what I need on a day-to-day basis. But if I have a designer coming and I want to be able to show samples, I can just turn this around. Oh yeah, and I get to hide my ugly heater too. So I swing this around, ugly heater still hidden. I have a sample of a valance, I have a sample of a cornice board, this is a sample of a banded bed skirt, and I normally have a sample of a pleated drapery panel, one with drapery panel with different pleat samples, but one of my designers has that right now. But you can see the pegboard just rests on the rolling rack. It's held together with the cable ties. I got rubber tipped pegboard hooks, and these just hang there, and I can add a third sample there of a short treatment. And then when my designer leaves, I just turn this around and it's back to work. And I haven't used up any space on a day-to-day basis for samples. I hope these tips were helpful, and thanks for watching.